Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. And we are still trying to figure out the MachO symbols. So we need to study. Study the symbols so we can build information from the symbols and the executable from a macOS of 0 Hour. To aid the Thyme development. Okay, so last session we have added the LLVM demangler to the mangled symbols to get some nice strings out of those. Let me start with Visual Studio Code. So there were some problems with the mangling. I have posted them here. So for example, here some of the strings, they don't demangle because they have, I suspect because at the end they have this colon and then a symbol, a letter. And there are a couple variants, colon F, colon G, colon V, colon S. Yeah, so there seem to be different variants, but maybe we can filter that stuff. Let me see. So last session we added a function somewhere here in symbol. There we go. We didn't end up using this function. Find first off. The valid Ethereum encoding requires 1 to 4 leading underscores. Why 4? Why 4? Okay. Okay, so mangled CSTR. Mangled name. It's too bad that this one takes a C string and not a string view. Yeah, that sucks. Mangled name. Oh. Yeah, it does a strlen here. Poof. I wonder, can we... Oof. Can we take this guy and make our own version of it? Maybe. Maybe not. Oof. Okay, what about this one here? Utility.h. Demangle utility.h. Utility.h. What is this namespace? LLVM. Okay. Demangler. Titanium demangler. Titanium demangler. Oh, what is this here? Default allocator. Oh. We need to copy a lot of code here. What about this node? Ah, Jesus Christ. So we really need to make a copy of this stuff. Looks like so. Okay, what about the output stream? Output stream. LLVM. Okay. Okay, so this here in part a copy of LLVM demangle, and this one is in part a copy of, or just a copy of this as well, a copy. Titanium. Okay, I think we need to create a new file here. Maybe. No, we can move it later. It's okay. Okay, import a copy of this. A copy of this Titanium encoding. Okay. Let's fix the formatting. Okay. Oof. Okay. Good. Now this what all this code duplication allows us to do is here we pass now a so here we want to pass a string view mangled. Then we pass mangled here. And we return also. Oh, we can't return. Well, yeah, we have to return a string. Oof. Yeah, so here we have to std string. We have to initialize it with the array view. So here we rename this to Titanium demangle, and we rename this one here, and then It's a bit of a shame that here we have to allocate string twice, but I guess it's not a big deal for now. Let's add a to-do here. To-do wasted allocation. Fix wasted allocation. Okay. Then here we also pass a SD string view. We rename this to mangled. We say mangled.empty. Okay, so parser, what do we do here? What does it take? I guess it takes mangle.data, right? We take mangle.data plus mangle.size. There we go. Then mangled, okay. Okay, looks okay so far. Okay, and now we say here, let's see. So we have, let's search for F. So it's on raw type 36. 36. We need a function to get like a suffix. C++ string ends with ends with didn't we have some utility function here in util no equals compare no looks like not ends with ending std equal there we go. Yeah, this one could be good. Let's put that here for now. Ends with str suffix. Let's try that. Okay, so basically I want to say here demangled name. So if let's say, hold on, the std string view std string view symbol. Let's make a scope here. Okay. Okay, so symbol. Let's make a switch symbol raw type. Okay. Let's say case 36 break symbol make a default symbol is symbol name break so here we say if if ends with symbol name ends with F. Then we do symbol equals M symbol dot data plus dot data plus size -2. -2. No, break ends with F, else symbol. Maybe we do make symbol. Okay, somehow has no member data symbol. All right. How about we say symbol? Let's say std string reference raw symbol is that const. Then we say here raw symbol dot data dot size raw symbol ends with raw symbol. What is wrong here? std string view. No. Oh, we need to say this. There we go. Symbol. Okay, and then we say here symbol. Let's how about we call this? Hold on. Raw symbol name, and this we call symbol name. Let's call it symbol view. Symbol name view. Okay, then we call this symbol name. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then we pass the symbol name view to here. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then we have some more cases. Can we simplify this code here maybe? Hold on. I think it's fine. Okay, so we have colon V. Colon V is on raw type 40. Yeah, and 38. 40. And yeah. Let's search for this string. That's better. 40, 38. 40. Okay, then we say case 38 and 40 ends with V. And then there should be a colon S also on 38. Look at that, 38. Oh. And also on 40. Okay. Then we do a we say this or ends with S. S. Okay. And then I think there was also a G. That's on 32. 32. What is this? Almost 1. Okay, so there's a variable that's called almost 1. Must be close to 1. Okay, so 32 has a G. Okay, then here I would say we simply do 32. Okay, 32 ends with G. Same thing. There we go. Okay, this should cover it all. There we go. Now, I would like to simplify this here, but how can we do that? It would have to fall through, but no, I think we have to keep it like this. No, it's fine. Good, let's put a breakpoint here. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what happened here. Good, so symbol name. Let's put a breakpoint in here. There and there and there. Okay, 36, symbol name start F. Ends with that. Symbol name view is start. Demangle means it should be start. Let's take another one. Oh, this one is empty, so it goes in here. Okay. This one has small f. A small f. Let me see. Do we also have a small g? No. Do we have a small v? No. Do we have a small g? What is it? V, S, G, V, S, G. Okay, so but we have a small f here. Here. G, S, B. Okay, then we also have to say ends with small lowercase f. All right, let's restart. There we go. Okay, so start F. Yeah. Here we have a lower F. Okay, let's take this G. Let's take here S or V, V. Okay, cool. I do wonder though if we need it at all for G and SV. I'm not sure. Maybe this can be deleted later. Possibly. Yeah. It's very slow. Well, it is debug, so. Okay. Okay, let's search for some F. Yeah. Okay, so now this shows here properly as a symbol. That's nice. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Very nice. Okay. So then the next question is, there's still one more symbol. The global I here. Global I. This one. We have a bunch of these. Look at that. The question is, what is up with these guys? Global I. Are there any other kinds of global? Global I. Yeah, looks like it. There's also something else. But it's mostly global I. Global D. Look at that. What is that? Global D. Global D. So the raw type is 2. There's a global D. Here the raw type is 14. 2 and 14. 2 and 14. Okay, then let's do the following. We put here case 2 and case 14. And we need another function. We need a starts with function here. We put it up here. Static bool starts with, okay, ready to go. And we say if starts with symbol name, starts with let's see, let's say it starts with global, yeah. And then we remove, how long is this? This is 10 plus 2. So we say plus 10 plus 2. And then size is minus 10 minus 2. Yeah. Let's add a comment here. Global I or global D. So I'm not sure, like, where do we want to cut it off? Do we want to cut it off here? Here we have 2 leading underscores. How many underscores should this lead with? That's a good question. 2 or 1? Probably 2, right? Maybe. Oh. Yeah. Maybe it doesn't matter. Let's search for some other raw types here. So this one starts with 2 underscores. Yeah. This as well. Yeah. So I would say we put +1, -1. Let's put it like so. Global Okay, let's try that. Need to run it. Okay, let's search for global. Okay. Okay, so it looks like we can just remove it and then it works fine. Okay, I would now like to test if there are any remainings of these guys. So let's remove name. Let's comment this out. So the file is clean. Then we run this. No. Okay. So now the name is gone, and now let's search for global. Okay, no hits, very good. Now we search for F, no results. Lowercase f, no results. G, no results. V, S. Okay, we are good. Good to go. Okay, cool. Looks like we have it cleaned up. Now, maybe we look through once more if we see any other weird demangled symbol names. So far, looks good. Well, maybe I wonder what's up with this .eh here. I think it's fine. Yeah, it looks good to me. Okay, now the next step is how about we remove some of the things from the demangling. So for example, here, those file names, they don't need demangling, right? Because they are not mangled symbols. So let's look at raw type 132. So that seems to be only ever file names, right? Yeah. Okay, so how about here we say let's say switch, another switch. Then we say case. 100, what was it, 32? We should say wait, okay, so wait, the symbols we have are okay, wait, hold on. So the raw types we have are 1, 2, 3. Okay, so hold on. It certainly will be those we have already listed here. So it's 2, it's 14, it's 32, it's 36, 38, and 40. Yeah. Okay, let's look at 132. We already know 102. Raw type 102. What is that? That is the .o files. Okay, they also don't need to be there. Let's actually add the comments here. So put a case 132, case 102. Okay. Then next we put 132, 100. What's the next one? Next is 100. What was that? 100 is start.s, empty, C file, 0 hour, 0 hour. I don't know what that crap is. Yeah, also looks like it's not demangled, so let's remove that as well. So case 100. Then what's next? 60. GCC2 compiled. Okay, what is that? Okay. Okay, it's always GCC2 compiled, whatever that means. Okay, let me put that here as well. Case 60. Next. 38. We have here. 40 we have here. 36. 32. What about 30? 30. 30. Oof. Let's put back this one here. Okay, 60. Okay. Okay. Name. Okay, here we definitely have some demangled names. So K30 should also be covered. K30. Okay, what's next? 18. 18. Also demangled, yeah. 18. Oops. 18. Okay, next 15. 15. 15. External. Okay, that doesn't seem. That doesn't seem to be. That doesn't seem to be symboled, mangled. No. So we'll cut on 15. 15. 15. There we go. Okay, let's get to 15, 15, 14, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, comma. That one looks like it has a mangled name, no? Yeah. Eventually. Yeah. Okay, so here, what was it? 3. Okay. 3. 3. What about 1? 1. How to say? Maybe, maybe not. Let's look over these guys. No. Oh yeah, here. Okay, so 1 as well, case 1. Okay, let's look at case 15 once more just to double check. 15. It's not so many. Let's scroll over those. Actually, hold on. Here we have some Zs. Okay, so 15 actually needs to go in. Let's double check 60. 60. Yeah, that seems unlikely. That seems very unlikely. It's always GCC2 compiled. Always the same name. Yeah, okay, I think then we can go with this here for now. I think this looks good. Maybe there's a simpler way to just say, okay, everything that is below 40 right, I don't know. Raw type. We could say if raw type is smaller than if raw type smaller. Smaller equal 40. We could do that. what's the problem now? Ah, right. Okay, let's run this. Let's see what it does. Okay. Good, then let's hope for the best here. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Friends. Okay, this looks extremely good. I appreciate that. Okay, so at least we got some demangled symbols now. That's, I think, already a starter. That is a starter, yeah. Okay, how about we clean up the code we have so far and submit this. So do we keep the deletion? I mean, this MachO symbol thing is kind of useless now because it simply is just a reference. It just contains a reference to this leaf symbol, which kind of makes it weird. Yeah, but I guess this is just for testing now, so this is not serious code yet. Yeah, we should try to keep it clean. Well, it's not serious. Yeah, we're just experimenting, trying to extract some data, yeah. So I would say we... Okay, let's add a new file here. Call it demangle.h. demangle.cpp. Then we go to CMake list. Let me put here. What is that? Let's move this down here, section here, symbol here, and source analyzer. This one should be at the top. And what did we just add? Demangle. Demangle.h. There we go. Okay. Save, compile. Okay, then next step we will take the demangle. We do a pragma once. Here we do include demangle.h, and then here we do I think we copy this stuff here, demangle, and there. Okay, then here we do is Thyme encoding? I wonder, can we now place this assert here? I wonder. If yes, then that would be good. To very... no, I don't think we can. But maybe we can say... null pointer, and we say if this, okay. Okay, let's put let's put a else. Let's put demangle equal line pointer. And let's put a breakpoint in here. I want to see if this gets hit. I suspect it will, yeah. But that's fine. Let's see. So mangled is start, yeah. And it's not Ethereum encoding, so it hits there. Here, this one is empty, also not, yeah. Here. Yeah. Oh, what do we have here? Underscore global with one underscore at this beginning. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Global. Global. There we go. Huh. Interesting. 36 global. Huh. What is going on here? Oof. Oh, that's weird. It's very weird. Damaged. I don't know what's going on here. This one is very strange. Okay, but it seems to be only 36, if I'm seeing this right. Okay, then we need to make some change here. Here, 36, so it does not just end with these things. Oof. Okay, so I think what we need to do is if starts with global I, global T. We say global. We say this equals this plus. How about we do this? We put here this here symbol. There we go. And then we say symbol name view data plus, what is it? Let's stop debugging. So this is 10, so 9 characters plus 9 plus 1 -9, -1. Let's make this here a bit more dense. Yeah. All right. And then we say this. And then we remove the else here. And we say if this, then the string view. String view is data plus this -2. There we go. I think this will work. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is okay. Good, let's test this. Let's run it. Actually, let's run it with name emptied. No. Mangled start. Let's look through here a little bit. Yeah. Okay, let's run this through. Need to wait. Okay, so global is no longer found. That's good. This is also not found. F also not found. Okay. Then let's put back the name here. There we go. We can remove this to do here. Okay, so I think we can remove all this commented stuff here. It's fine. We remove all this. And we remove all this here and this as well. So yeah, this MachO symbol type is quite retarded, but I think it's fine for now. Good, then let's compile this. .4 gigabyte, 5, 6, 7, 8. My God, this process is huge. Almost 2 gigabytes. Okay, so let's see if the symbols are clean now. Would be good. Would be good. Demangled name. RT4. So I do wonder, like, how do these things relate together? Like, when I see this, it looks as if, like, okay, we have this load screen CPP and the single player load screen reset function. It's part of the CPP. Maybe. But then why is there another load screen.h and then another CPP, and then what is going on here? So this value here, if we, that's a good idea. Let's look at the addresses here. So shell game load screen, yeah. Let's open a calculator. So this is this address, and if we use this tool to go to this address, we can't. Why not? There we go. Invalid address. Okay, well, that's how about that? Okay, yeah, so here we have the function shell game load screen reset. Shell game load screen reset, yeah. Shell game load screen. So the next symbol after this has value 22. Value 22. Is this a byte? Is this the size of the function? Let's check this. 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 21, 22. Yeah. Okay, so we can say that after the function there follows another symbol which has a size here, the size of the function. Okay, that's good. The question is this always with which raw types is it? Let's see. So we have an empty name here. Let's search for empty names. Empty names. Empty names. So far it's just 36. Let's look around here. Yeah. Here we have 100. 100. How about we say let's say if raw type equals 36 and symbol name dot empty, then we say symbol dot value contains code size, function code size of the previous function symbol. 36 type, raw type 36. Okay, let's add this information here. By the way, we wanted to clean up this code here. Let's add another. Let's add another text document here. Utility.h utility.cpp and go here, data utility.cpp utility.h, compile. So we say include utility.h, and here we do pragma once, and we go to symbol, and we put string view, then put here include string view, then we put these guys here, and we do we can make it inline, inline, yeah, make it inline. Okay, then we go here symbol, and we remove this, and we include utility.h. There we go. Next we go to demangle. We have this already in there. Then we comment this. Then we take all this here and we put that demangle here. Yeah. And then we take Etinium encoding, Etinium demangle. We take this function here and we put it here like that, that. Okay. And Etinium demangle. Let's fix this function name to Etinium demangle. All right, mangled. There we go. Titanium demangle, just a single function in there. And I think that's it, no? Good, and then here we include demangle.h. There we go. Then we remove this, move this, and voila. It's cleaned up. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't compile. Great. Includes string. Good. Let's study the code a little bit more to see if we see a few more things, and then we can submit, and then we can call it a day. Okay, but this already is pretty nice. Okay, so we learned something about this. What about... Oh, there is a M replay window. Gee. M replay window values. Illegal build color. Illegal build color. Illegal build color. So what does this refer to here? Let's see. So we have decimal this, hex that. Let's copy this. Go in here. Jump to address. There we go. Ah, illegal build color. It has an underscore here. But here it doesn't. What's up with that? Why does it have an underscore here? RGB. How does it know it's RGB color? How do we know that? I don't know. Let's look at this one here as well. Placement opacity also starts with an underscore. Literal. $66. This looks like a float value. Okay, so I think what happens here is if raw type is 38, if raw type is 38, then M symbol value contains address to static initializer value. Okay. What about this G then? So this has a value 0, 32. Let's search for some G's. G. The language filter. G. The nitrogen. I wonder if this means that this value is also global, but it is not initialized with a value, right? Maybe. M map cache name. Is this a static or not? I'm confused about this M map. Let's search for this in Thyme. Let's see what this is in here. mmap dy terrain logic. It is a member. Look at that. It is a member. Huh. Huh. But it's terrain logic. So this value, is it a 0 then? Ah, shit. Oof. There's nothing. I don't know why this tool, this program shows underscore here. So this one is curious because here something is weird. I mean, there are 4 bytes, but it's just a bunch of question marks, which is strange. Very strange. I don't know what to say about that. Okay, let's look at some more G's. G, snow major. Let's look at this one here. It's not in Thyme yet. Let's look at some other then. What about the Nalcha? Is this in Thyme? Maybe it's a different name. Thyme made the mistakes of freely renaming some of the symbols, which makes it then harder to find certain things. Yeah. The tactical view. Let's search for this one. It should be here. G, the tactical view. It's not initialized. Yeah. Okay, what about this one here? ID next. Let's see. Huh. ID next. Oh, it's called SID next. But here it's called MID next. Now that is curious. That is curious. So it looks like this has a wrong name here. It should be M, not S. Yeah. Okay, but it's cool that we also get names for these statics. But I think we don't get names for members because we don't even get members. Yeah. Okay, but I'm curious. Like here, it doesn't have a. Let's search for this name here. There's another one. Aha, here we have a raw type 30. Look at that. Global. So there are multiple symbols. So there's raw type 32, which has this name. Then we have this one. Then we have another one. This one has a value. And raw type 30. Let's look for this one here. It's too bad that we always have to go through this extra step. Doesn't make it easy. Oh boy. Okay, so this one says value 1. Okay, MID next 1. So what we can say is here, MID next, raw type 30 section. There's another global. Okay, let's look at that as well. So 30. Let's go to our code. Address to static initializer value. So let's say this or 30. Yeah. Let's look at this value here. What is that? Raw type 14. Let's look at this. Global constructor. Global constructor. Huh? I'm confused. Global constructor keyed to view MID next. Hä? What? How can this have a global constructor? I'm so confused. What does this do? I don't quite understand. Let me ask in the Thyme channel. Copy. Can someone explain what this is? I have no clue. Something about initialization, but I mean it's set to 1, value 1, and but why is this here? What is this doing? I don't understand. Maybe it's part of this constructor here. Here, this. But I don't think so. I don't quite understand. This is weird. Maybe because this, maybe equal 1 will create this code, but why would it be so complicated? Ah, maybe it has to do it. Yeah, maybe. But then why is there a 1? Why do we have an address which has a 1? And then why would we need another piece of code that sets it to 1? Like, that doesn't make sense. It should be either this or the other memory address which had the 1 in there. So I don't understand what this is. That's weird. It's very weird. Let's see if we have some other raw type 14. Static initialization. Water settings. My field pass. Okay, so for example, let's look at this one here. And we go to copy this. What the hell? Where did we land? Here. Okay. Okay, it looks like there's some more complicated stuff going on with that stuff. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, this is getting complicated. Okay, let's try to find simpler things first. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Why is here twice field pass? What is that? What is this? So this one here, and then it comes again. It looks exactly the same. Same value, same type, same name, everything the same. Oh boy. This stuff is complicated. Okay, how about we look into this next session more? I find this really complicated. Okay, but I think we made a good progress. It looks at least the demangling is sorted now, so that's good. Okay, so how about we merge what we currently have. Yeah, this looks fairly clean. Okay, let's see. This one looks okay. Yeah. Git ignore third party. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Looks good. This one looks okay. Yeah. This one looks okay. Here we have a bunch of commented code which we can remove in MachO parser. Let's go. MachO parser here. Yeah, let's remove this. Get architecture. Blah 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 blah. Put count and remove this down here. There we go. Okay, looks good. Raw types, blah blah. Okay. Const, yep. Okay, looks good. Symbol, okay, blah blah, all right. Utility, yep. And okay, looks good. Implement Itanium demangle via LLVM demangler. Okay. Commits. There you go. Okay, then we can push that as well. All right. Okay, then I will do the following. I will post the status update on here. We have data, we have this. We clean this one, we take zip, add to zip.zh. Let's call it zh2. Okay. Updated JSON. I think I have now cleaned up all the demangling and things and names should show fine. Updated JSON. I think I've now cleaned up all the demanglings with global fs, etc. Okay, good. So we made a little bit of progress. Now the big task ahead is trying to figure out what all the various symbols give us information-wise. We need intel. The more data we can get out of this, the better. Yeah. And then we basically need to build structures of things, knowledge, as much as we can get. Yeah. For now, I think it's good enough that we just research and we just output into the JSON and see what it gives us without worrying too much about how we use it in the end. Just, yeah, trying to figure out things and writing the code for it. Yeah. Good. I think it was a good session. We did a bit of things. Yeah. But yeah, there's a lot to figure out now. And I expect it won't be easy. Yeah. There's yeah. There's a lot. There's a lot. I wonder if there is some sort of Itanium symbols. What? C++ RBE. what would be nice if there was a library that would already do all this heavy lifting for us. Demangler API. Oh man. Itanium RB. Itanium RB. Itanium. I don't know how this document helps us here. What we basically need is like a description of how these symbols, like how do we look up things with the symbols. That's what we need. What would be helpful is a actually let me say, what is Itanium? Yeah, what is Itanium? Family of 6, yeah, Itanium RBE. What is an RBE and why is it so complicated? That's a good question. I don't know if Itanium is the correct thing, the correct terminology for what we look for. What would be helpful is a specification document that describes the GCC, MachO, Itanium, whatever this is, symbols, and how they interact with the binary file and how we can use it to extract all the information, or better, a library that already does it. Okay, I will take a break here. Yeah, we got a bits of stuff done. I still don't have it's still research. It's just research. We cannot move ahead with implementing anything because we don't really know how to get the information. Yeah, we have some crumbs. That's it. But we need more than crumbs. Yeah, we want to get the cake, right? Good. So I will take a break here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.